Hi, my name is Tariq. I want to share an incident that holds immense importance in my life. My passion for building cars and creating the most profound racing team in my college history. The journey of failure to outstanding success. The journey of innovation and achievement. Here is my story with Team Roadrunner. When I joined college, I decided to join Team Roadrunner, even though only 4 slots were available for an 800 strong batch. After learning the basics of vehicle dynamics, attending workshops, and going through a month-long selection process, I finally made it to the team and started working in the powertrain and fundraising department. Over the next 1 year, working through countless nights, we created our car and went on to participate in Formula Student competition at the only F1 circuit in India. But our worst nightmare came true. We failed miserably, unable to clear even the initial technical round. This setback made the entire team fall apart, leaving behind just a handful of us. As a captain designate for the next season, I had 2 paths: to follow others and close the team, or to rebuild the team, learn from our mistake and give it another shot. I chose the second one. We onboarded 20 members who were passionate about building something of their own and pushed the boundaries of innovation. Acknowledging the technical inexperience of the team, I decided to seek mentorship from seniors and professors, which helped the team come up to speed in a short time. Now, the hurdle was to raise funds for design, manufacturing, and logistics. After alumni donations, sponsorships, and crowdfunding, we were still short of funds. This is when I saw the best example of team spirit and belief in a larger cause, when each member pulled in their personal money to reduce the gap. We also reduced costs through innovative design intervention and sharing logistics costs with a competing team. Fast forward to the race day. This time it was different. Out of 84 teams, we were one of the 7 teams that cleared all technical inspection and qualified to race in the final event. We also bagged the award for the second most innovative team for our low-cost data acquisition system. This event was so noteworthy that even today, when Team Roadrunner participates in Formula Student race, my car stands in front of the central workshop as a symbol of prestige for our college. Falling and standing back again, leading the team through challenges and adapting to adversities, instilled a fearless spirit and enterprising nature. This encouraged me to courageously experiment with new ideas and approaches, upholding one of the core values of Cornell. In future, I intend to embody these takeaways and look forward to be a part of the Cornell community. Thank you.